Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Vechain update for such a day 5 of March. And guys, I do think that 24% pump is incoming just as I was predicting. And guys, if you haven't really even subscribed to this, if you're not following this channel, I don't even know why the hell you're not doing so, because Vechain, I'm predicting it absolutely okay. Now, yesterday we talked about the yard chart stop pattern. If you've been looking at the channel, I talked about this bearish pattern right here, and I said how you make a fake out, you go down, and then you go even more down. This one perfectly played out, right? The next thing before that, I was saying that you have an inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If you broke out of it, you have to come back to retest the neckline, and then this is your next technical target to the 0.06182. So it's going to be a very, very simple trading strategy. This is where you could have entered at the 47, and if you did listen to the videos, you're looking to gain even 30% to the upside. And from this point of time, even if you entered V-Chain, this one's looking for 22%. Given provided that this support line holds, you don't want to lose this yellow line. Okay, this is the neckline of the head and shoulder, and that's the only thing that takes you to that price level. Lose this level, backtest and fail, then you're not gonna go there. Let me just tell you that. Okay, then close your trades, maybe take a small loss, maybe perhaps this could be a nice risk reward ratio. Put a stop loss, maybe. um, I actually don't like to use stop loss because I like to it goes down and I actually sell it to retest and normally. So where would the stop loss be? But by the way, let me tell you one thing. Stop loss could have been at the 39, okay? Because if you do come down to take out this level, because that's the starting point of the head itself. So if you do take the head, then the trade in itself gets disqualified. You cannot actually trade it to go to the upside. But at this moment, it is now on a technical journey to go there out of an inverse head and shoulder, and not my own opinion. So let's see if it can work. And if it does come here, you just have to hold this yellow line, and then boom, you continue to the upside. Okay, so it's not a very bad spot. You're not in a bad position to actually start buying V-Chain, and that's just how it is. That's just how it's looking on the chart so far. It's looking so good, and I don't think you need to know about anything else. That's it for this update. That's where I'm looking for two things. Don't lose the neckline. As long as you're above the neckline, you're gonna slowly start the journey to go for that 24% pump and increase for VChain, at least in the short term here, in the next coming few days, potentially starting from next week, who knows. And then from there you have your nice lovely pump to the upside, and then once you do that, come back and then subscribe to this channel as well. So that's it. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.